Here are 5 widgets for your iPhone I guarantee will make your life easier every day. Number 1 is Google. The Google Apps widget is absolutely crazy. It obviously lets you search for anything on Google in a single tap, but it also lets you do it in incognito mode or via voice search right from your home screen. The voice search can also find and recognize songs. The most impressive part of this widget is clearly Google Lens. It will open up your camera and do so many things using images. You can translate anything into your language, read texts, image search. It even completes your homeworks for you using your camera. You can identify products and find where to buy them based on pictures you took using Google Lens, and even identify real places in the real world. I honestly don't know what else you need. I use it every single day, multiple times per day, and it's right there on your home screen, accessible through a single tap. Number 2 is emails. I personally use Hey, and I've got another video coming up where I talk about it and why it's my favorite email client, so please don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss that one. The reason why you should have your emails and other important communication as a widget on your phone is so that you're always in control of your inbox. You want to have your inbox under control and have a clear overview of what's going on, but not let it dictate your life and suck you in at any random moments of the day. The ideal next step would be to disable notifications and even move it to a secondary screen so that it doesn't dictate your life and you're actually in control of things. Number 3 is weather, and this one is pretty simple and quite obvious. I want to get that weather information in the simplest and fastest way possible in order to plan my day. But weather info is not something I think about so much and that I would go out of my way to search for. And this is exactly why the widget is so powerful. It's super small and it's right there. I just get the information I need and forget about it. Simple, but useful. Number 4 is having your favorite Maps app as a widget. This is about having quick access to it when you actually need it. And when I need it is pretty much always when I'm already outside on the road in the middle of traffic, in the middle of doing something else, and I need it right now really fast. I don't have time to dig through my phone to find this app. I need that information right now. So one tap, I can get the information I need, get the directions I need, and I'm on my way. This is a super simple but yet super efficient widget. It's probably one of my favorite ones. Number 5, last but not least, a calendar. I personally live my life by my calendar. If it's not in the calendar, it doesn't exist and it's not happening. This saves me a lot of mental energy. It allows me to plan my day according to my priorities and block time for the things that really matter to me. So the calendar widget is the perfect way for me to get an overview of my day, my week, my priorities, my tasks, and remember any important things I've got coming up. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it useful. It helps me a lot, and it also makes sure that you don't miss out on any similar videos that might be coming out soon. I honestly really love widgets because they allow me to get the important information I need that I might usually probably forget or might not even think to look for. And they also give me a path to easily do the things I need to do on my phone without having to actually open the apps and all the distractions that come with it. I'm always looking for new widgets to try, so please drop in the comments any suggestions you might have and I would love to take a look at those. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon.